Happy birthday, darling.
Soap.
That's not soap.
No.
That's a sponge for the inside.
Oh, yeah.
When it gets all foggy. First aid kit. Need that driving.
I don't know what this is called.
It's an ice scraper, but look at the colour though. Matches your car.
Yeah.
Do you ever doing first aid? Is it when I was in the kitchen on the floor?
Yeah.
And then you come in and kick me.
Yeah, that's not how you do first aid.
Practice. No, technically that was like 10 years ago. But what we can do is we can practice more first aid.
There's a bit of a theme, isn't there? Like you've got a car for your birthday, so you know.
Yeah.
Do that one last.
Do this one last.
Yeah.
This one next one, yeah.
Okay.
It's a car camera.
You can help Dad install that.
Yeah, I will, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god. It's a box!
Wow.
I know that.
Oh, mine presses.
Yeah, like this. Oh! I think I know what this is. Is this the metal bit that goes underneath the car?
Yeah, the story behind it is it came a little bit bent, so I've contacted the seller
Yeah.
and they're sending me some new ones, and they said just to dispose of them ones. So
Oh, okay.
I didn't want you to not be able to open them. So
Yeah.
you'll see that they've been bent, but new ones are coming.
Okay.
So yeah, they can't go in your car yet.
Okay, that's fair enough. Yeah.
Can you see what I mean? How they bent them? Look.
Yeah.
It's such a shame. And do you know where they came from? Poland.
Poland.
Come all the way from Poland.
Wow.
And they were bent. So there are new ones coming. But
Yeah,
I wanted you
that's
to be able to open them.
Yeah, that's right. So this one is. What is this? Oh, what is this? This is memory. Awesome.
Did you say you got a bad memory?
Yeah. It's a hard drive for your laptop.
Gaming mouse.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
And on the card.
We couldn't wrap the car up and bring it in.
Yeah.
You don't need to wrap it up and leave it outside.
Yeah. It's like you've had a 3-week birthday though, because the first week you got a car, the second week you had a couple of friends over for a barbecue, and now it's your actual birthday.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, the box. Oh, that's so cute.
Your dad can stitch that onto your bag.
That's sweet.
You can sit it onto your bag.
Me. Okay.
Alright then.
You can make it look beautiful.
Wishing you a happy 80th birthday. Turning 18 is a moment that always stays close in your heart. A day that is full of excitement when life isn't at all your start. With so many things you can do now, things that you're not done before, the whole world is laid out before you, a world that you have to explore.
Aww, 18.
Don't settle for less than the best, and make sure you reach for the sky. Make every moment a great one. Don't let a day pass you by. To Camrons, may every single experience, may everything you do and see, may each day that comes after this one and all that you want it to be. Happy 80th birthday. You've grown. Oh, is this a song?
No.
You have grown and grown and grown. LOL. We love you so much. Love Mum, Dad, Liam, and Ollie. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, darling. 18. 18.
Thank you.
We may or may not be going out a bit later.
Where?
I'm not telling you. Assuming.
It's his birthday.
Yeah. I'm not telling him where we're going though.
Surprise.
It's a surprise. 18.
Yeah, where are we going?
So where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Alright, so you're
He's been-
recording so it's somewhere close.
I don't actually know how far away we are from it, but yeah, Cameron's been trying to pump me all morning, and usually he's really good at sussing me out, isn't he Liam? He's so good, and he's like trying to get information from me, and I'm not very good at lying, and so he thought he'd sussed it because he's like, your face gave it away, we're going bowling, and then Danny done a once round, he went past the bowling alley and then back again. And he really thought he'd got it. But yeah.
Just down there.
You'll see when we get there. See when we get there. Can't believe you're 18.
When we were back home, I said, why would you go bowling at your 18th?
Exactly.
Oh.
Ah, where are we?
The zoo.
The zoo. His bright little brain's ticking. Yeah.
You can't feed them. Okay, you can't feed the horses.
They're not actual horses.
What? There's a bus over there as well.
Hello, little monkey. You're a baby monkey. Yes.
No, it's a normal monkey.
Oh,
It's just because it's a small breed.
it's looking so
Cute!
Oh,
look!
They're the original.
Look!
Over there is one that's walking.
Oh, look!
Come on, I did.
My thoughts on this, I've changed my mind, you know. Because where initially I thought, no, stick Camron in the garden. A fox will come in the garden. They're all mangy, aren't they? Whereas these have
These
been
are-
looked after.
We're on the other side of a glass. Oh, look at them all run!
Oh my gosh, that's,
They won't even run.
oh my gosh. That one was
Oh,
tiny.
look!
Hello, Fluffy.
Look at him, he's so cute!
I kind of want to do this too.
He's taking. Oh no, it's not. Oh look! Look at that one having a look!
He's eating.
Oh, I can't even see him doing it.
I
Oh look! Oh look!
What's it got?
That man, there's two there. He's having an animal experience thing.
It's his 18th. Oh, is it? Yeah. And he loves foxes.
It's his birthday. He's come here to do it for his birthday.
Oh. Oh, bless.
Foxes aren't
I know one too.
Oh, look, they're all coming round now.
Oh my gosh, there's only two red ones. I'll lift you up. Look, this is only.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, look. Oh.
I didn't realise foxes are that cute in real life.
They are, aren't they? And they're very gentle. They're very timid.
The foxes do like them.
Yeah, they really like them, don't they? It's nice to watch, isn't it?
The foxes, they're so cute.
They are so cute. They are so cute.
This one is so cool.
I think they're a bit too timid to let you stroke them. Look at that one just laying there. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look. Oh, that's what Pixie does on my rug. It gets all her hair on it.
Look, chicks. You're a chick. Chick. There's a chick one.
It's kind of boy's farm.
Let's go for the fun.
That is a chick.
You're absolutely right.
They make you sign a waiver saying any injuries, nothing to do with them. And I'm like, who takes a finger off?
Wonder how happy it is. Wonder how happy it is. He is.
They're happy. I think they're happy. Having a nice dinner, aren't they?
He's probably really happy from taking the chance with foxes.
Oh, it's going for it. Oh, it took it.
One is sniffing the woods.
Yeah.
Maybe it smells food.
He's coming out now.
You see it?
Let's go and have a talk with him, see what he thought of it, eh?
Did you enjoy that?
Oh, that was so friendly, so cute.
That was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was amazing. See it nibbling on your finger.
Yeah.
That was so sweet. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, I proper enjoyed myself.
When we got here, we went, we're coming to the zoo for my 18th. And then it was like, oh, see, now you know why.
Go on, little otter, go in the water. Just thinking about it.
The noises they make.
I know, the little squeak, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh look, they want to be close to each other. Yeah, they're grown, darling. That's as big as they get.
What do they look like when they're babies?
They'll be tiny, wouldn't they?
They're absolutely tiny when they're babies. That's as big as they get. They'll be really small when they're babies.
Oh, they're tiny.
They're not shy.
They're not shy. So cute.
Nice to stand up.
Oh my gosh, they're so sweet. It's so small.
They like to dig.
I can't see him, Molly. Where's he gone?
There, under the pipe thing.
That's to stop them climbing up. That is. That pipe's to stop them climbing up. There he is. Because if he climbs, then he'll slip down. I think he's going to try though. Over there, look, digging and digging and digging.
Oh yeah, he's trying to dig under that.
Yeah, they're digging. They're little diggers.
Oh, it's
A way out.
Yeah.
it's a net thing there
There'll be a net, that's absolutely right, to stop them.
from digging.
They're going to look around though.
I think they have been
So
trying to
sweet.
do this for ages.
So sweet, aren't they?
Oh, bless them.
They just want to get out.
I know.
Should we take one home and put it in her pocket house?
Can we take our fox all with them?
You want to take a fox?
One of them climbed in.
Yeah, I wonder what's in there.
I think that's their home.
Oh, it's on the other side, Oz.
Is that what?
He's looking at us like, what are you laughing at? I was looking at you, Danny. I wonder what they think.
I wonder where Groot is.
Oh, Ollie, look at this one. Look how cute he is. I know I call everything he. Oh, that's got such a cute face.
Look, Ollie, this is so cute.
If I have my spaceship. Space gun.
Yeah.
I'd get out of this place.
Oh, it's a little sad.
Oh, Wally, look at this big black bird. What is it?
Yeah.
It's a raven, a common raven.
Oh, they're the ones what take Tiny Toons, I think.
He's so high up.
No, they're not the ones.
No, we can't really see it though.
I see it.
Oh yeah, you
Far away. It's massive, really. Oh, he's having a scratch. Oh, he's having a scratch.
What we got in here? It's hiding.
Wherever it is, it's hiding. A bobcat.
They this is one of the experiences you can have.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you've seen him. He's up there. He's hiding.
Sure, that's not someone's hat.
I know. He's sleeping.
I didn't know the photo was to scale though. I thought it was bigger than that.
Bobcat. Ollie's name's Bob. Bobcat.
Yay!
I can't see him. Is there another owl?
Yeah, there's one facing forward and one facing to the wall.
Oh yeah, they're like a parade.
I'll just
Can't really see them.
Down there!
Is there another one?
Yeah, it's down there. Oh, they climb.
See down there? Where is it, Liam? Do you know?
I don't know.
Where's their sign?
South American coati is a medium-sized mammal only found in this American continent.
There you go.
Found widely distributed across South America in a range of different habitats.
You love them. Wow. The head looks too small for the
Yeah, I
body.
was just thinking that.
Yeah. Yeah, it really does. Danny, look. Look, the head looks too small for the body.
Yeah, that's what the experience of Ollie was saying. Yeah, he's alright. He'll bite your arm off.
He's walking back and forward.
Yeah, pacing.
Maybe he's hungry.
He's getting his steps in.
They just patrolling.
Something down there, but I can just about see it.
Oh, that's
It's a cat of some sort.
It's a fishing
it's a
cat.
fishing cat. It's literally
Wow. A fishing cat.
what is it? Fishing cat. It's eating pigeons. Eating.
Oh my gosh. Feeding time at the zoo.
He can see his other friend.
Yeah.
Yes, cucumbers.
Oh, he has cucumbers over
He must have
there.
eaten.
Did you eat all your cucumbers?
Wait, do they? I can't see his teeth.
Yes, you can. Look close.
They're very hidden.
Looking at you. Looking at you, Ols.
That was looking little.
It's like it's got two ears. It's like it's got an inner ear and an outer ear. Like a round ear and then a pointy ear.
That's just,
Oh yeah, I see his teeth.
You see his teeth?
Yeah.
He seems to really enjoy that.
They're really, really enjoying that.
Oh, they're big.
They are huge.
Oh, they're like.
Them piggies are massive.
Oh, they're teeth. They're good teeth.
And wagging their little tails.
Sounds like they're burping.
It does, doesn't it? They're big plants, aren't they? Massive.
It's good to have a cheat. It's hiding. They're them.
Be gentle, don't scare them. Oh, look. Really close.
They're not that shy. That one.
No, they're not that shy. They don't mind that we're here. That one's sleeping.
It's not the same.
One's having a snooze.
That has a long tail.
It does have a long tail. Oh, it's curling up.
Wait, can they?
Oh, look, Rose. Oh.
Can they go on the grass?
Well, yeah, but I don't suppose they want to. No, there's one down there that's on the grass.
Ah, he's young.
Aww.
He just yawned.
Did it yawn?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, rocking away.
Imagine having to sleep on that.
I know.
He has a platform what's on five boards.
Yeah.
They have human hands.
They have human hands. A little bit.
Because
The 4 fingers in the thumb, didn't they? I don't want to see your butt. No, thank you.
I think he's stretching.
Oh yeah, well he can stretch and face the other way.
Oh, it's gone from poo.
Oh no.
Oh, I
I don't want to see that either. But at least he
gosh, he jumps on.
wow.
You woke that guy up.
Oh my gosh, he's upside down.
Wow, Ollie.
I cannot do that. I'll face him. Oh, he's looking at him like, that's too dangerous, mate.
Is that too dangerous?
Got it.
He's getting that leaf up there, Rolls. Oh my gosh, he's hanging. He dropped his leaf. Gutted.
It's like the end of the wall. His mate.
Look, that one's like, what have you found? I want a bit. I want a bit, whatever you've got.
Oh no.
I dropped both of them.
Both of them, all of them are gonna go upside down.
Oh wow, that's why they've got all those ropes in there.
I want to go jump.
But they're making me feel a bit wary.
Not making me wear.
Yeah, you have a think about it.
This is dangerous, but I actually can do it.
Oh look, he's gone all the way over there.
Oh my god, he's a cool one. I kind of like him.
Oh, Ollie, look! He was stretching again.
Oh, we've got a green one down there.
Where?
See it?
No, I see that one up there.
Another one right down.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Once you see it, you can't unsee it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that one. What's he saying?
It's like a bulb.
Yeah. Hello. 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 One of them's chatty. Hello. Oh look, there's a little African grey.
African grey, where?
Just down there.
Yeah.
They are very talkative.
What was making that sound?
It's that one. Hello. Alright, alright. That's not polite, is it? It's not polite.
Quite louder than that.
Oh my
There you go.
gosh! You're noisy. You've got too much to say. Next to the bird enclosure, there's a lorry park, and one of the birds are making beeping sounds like a lorry reversing, and we're over it just laughing away, aren't we?
Yeah.
They will mimic anything. When I was younger, we used to have an African grey and a McCoy. And the McCoy didn't really talk, but the African grey was very, very chatty. Pardon?
There was a scream when I thought it was a bird.
Yeah. And because there's lots of children in here, and when parents talk to their children, they'll pick up on that.
Yeah.
We was watching it on YouTube, weren't we, with African greys, and they were like, Alexa, turn on the lights, and we were all laughing. That weren't that long ago we were looking into them, innit? I was telling you all about them.
They'll copy anything they hear.
They sure will, they sure will. Anything they hear regularly, they'll copy.
Even their voice.
Yep. Yeah. I told you when I was little, our bird used to say, Helen, turn it down! Because I always had my music on too loud.
put your power in your room.
No, I thought it was downstairs, but that would be Nanny calling up to my room.
And you would hear it before the power.
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Climbing down. There's more room back here than you'd actually think there would be.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
And this is the USB. Brilliant.
Danny and Cameron are putting in the his birthday present camera into the car.
Right.
You're quite lucky that your dad used to do this as a job.
Not through there.
Yeah.
So he'll get it all nice. This is also fascinating to me. That's the back camera. And then
Now there'll be a lug somewhere on here which holds it in place, so you can only bring it out this way. You shouldn't be able to wiggle it. So hold that side and hold that
so how did you find fitting that?
Fun.
Fun. It's amazing how it all fits in. Learnt a lot today. So the camera's there, and then the wires go up, and then they're fed through the roof, and then you have it going, one part goes down and into the fuse box, and then the other part goes roof again, and then it goes to here, and then another one goes down to the reverse, so that when the car's in reverse he gets to see the back. That's so good that you can do that. So when you're driving you've got a rear camera. So yeah, well done. Isn't there a bit of plastic that goes on that? Pull that down a minute. Is there not a bit of plastic there?
Yeah.
Where's that
it's
bit?
all in the car. Oh yeah, in the other car.
Yeah, make sure you put that on. Yeah. It amazes me on how cars fit together the way they do. This is really good for you to learn, Cameron. And then the wire here where it plugs in, Danny's going to order a part on eBay. Another, what's that? I don't know what that's called.
What? Oh.
I
don't know what this is called either.
No, but get another one and then have it so it goes round the back.
Yeah.
So the wire's completely gone and you won't have any wires at all then. Aye.
Yeah.
But it's just like that until we get another part. I'll get Cameron to turn the car on in a minute and you'll be able to see what it looks like when it's on and in reverse and stuff. It's really cool. It should come on. Diddle-diddle.
Yep.
Hold on, wait for it. And then put it into reverse.
Oh yeah.
It's saying it needs an SD card. And then look at that, that's the back. That's so clever. And then it's got the lines so you know whether or not you're in straight. That is so cool.
Yeah.
And then pop it out of reverse.
Neutral.
And then it goes straight back into showing the front of the house again. That is so smart. See, my car don't even have that. Doing well, ain't ya?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's brilliant. That's so clever. So I thought I'd come on and end this birthday vlog, Cameron's birthday vlog, just as an update. Cameron has been driving the car every day with Danny, but he hasn't yet had the sort of courage to rip that band-aid off and drive out on his own until today. And I don't know why, you know, he's passed his test, he's insured, he's taxed, he's MOT'd, he's got his own little car and his own little name, and it's like, you're all good to go, now go. And he's like, bless his heart. I mean, I have to say, when he drove off the drive on his own, my stomach was in my throat. As much as I'm saying, do you know, you can drive, Cameron. They don't just give licenses out willy-nilly. Like, you earned it, you can drive, and you build them up and you're like, you can do this, I've got 100% faith in you, like, go drive. And then the second they start to drive on your own, you're like, ugh, but you can't let them know that. Any of you that have got old kids that have been through that, you know what I mean. And I didn't think that when he was little, you think, well, once he's got a license he can drive. But when it's your kid in a car on their own, like, I know he's driving on his own at this point, it's so scary. So I was like, please text me when you get there and let me know you got there safe and stuff. But he's got to do it, right? He's just got to rip that band-aid off, and he's got to drive that car. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I really wanted to update. I can't believe I have an 18-year-old. When I was thinking, when this baby's born, I'm going to have an adult, a teen, a child and a baby. I'm going to have the whole spectrum of children. But yeah, anyway, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.